Hi, you are welcome to another class again. And as I said in the previous video, we are going to look at about 6 questions around test of orals vowel questions, vowel sounds. So we are going to be doing that right away. So I remain your teacher, Olasukomi Okwaifa. Let's quickly jump to class and do this now. Alright, so in the class now, we continue with question 5. Remember in our previous video, we did question 1 to 4. And we have 15 questions. So we are taking 6 questions today. Now look at the given word, weep. Now I learned recently that where we have 2 vowel letters representing a sound, the first letter, the way it is pronounced in the regular alphabet, most of the time is the way the entire sound should be produced. Now, and it works here, but it doesn't work in all cases. So let's look at this word now. We have E and E. So the first one is E, then it's E, and it's a long E. So we have weep. Okay? Weep. So this is the sound we are looking for. Please, that rule has a lot of exceptions. Okay, now, the most foolish option here, as I do knock out is elder. There's no E sound here. Now, we still manage here, but what we have here is a diphthong. Remember, this is a sound on its own. These 2 vowel elements stand for just one sound. Now, interestingly, we have the same diphthong here. So this is not what we are looking for. So let me quickly jump. Here, remember the rule I mentioned now earlier. It works here. 2 vowel letters representing one sound. And it is the first one we consider. Okay, this one is E, so it's seal. However, you can also do this with E sound. Anywhere there is a sound E and it's represented in some cases with 2 letters, it is the long one. However, please just get accustomed to transcription. You will not need to bother yourself with rules. Oh, you say I jumped D. Yes, I jumped because that is something else. Alright, pill. Okay, oftentimes where letter I is sandwiched in between 2 consonants and the last one is not letter R. Oftentimes, okay, we have that pill. But you will still see another question where this is not true. Now, what is our answer? We say, see, oh, somebody is saying I should transcribe elder regardless. Okay, let's do that. Elder. Alright, you can see it's very foolish. There is no sense of E sound there. Alright, so let's move on quickly to question 6. Yes, in question 6, this is what we have. Now, ordinarily from my knowledge, I know that that letter A there has this sound, this vowel 4. I mean, common sense tells me that. My regular knowledge of transcription tells me this. Now, that will not be the case anymore. But let's quickly take it one by one. Let's transcribe Bane. What do we have in Bane? Bane. This is what we have in Bane. Care. Care. Now, I'm not sure of castle or castle. I don't know. So let's leave that. I'll come back to that. So I know this is lamp. I'm sure. And I'm very sure this is ransom. Now, see. Ransom. Okay. Ransom. Now, I'm sure. Now, it is common sense for you to know that no examiner will give you 2 options that are correct. Okay, 2 options will not be correct. So, obviously, the sound we have in sample is not vowel 4. So what could it be? Now, whatever the sound is, you will agree with me that it is not care, it's not sample, I mean, it's not the bane. That means automatically it should be castle. Now, when I check my dictionary here now, I discover that what we have in sample is sample. Sample. Okay, and then, so I confirmed with castle, I discovered this is what we have with castle. Alright. So you understand the logic or the common sense there. So quickly, because of time, I don't want this to be a long video. Ling. So this is what we have here, ling. So I move on. 2 letters representing E is dream, long one. Now this word is often pronounced as pint. However, it is pint. It is pint. This time around, my rule of letter I in between 2 consonants is not working. See line again. Line. then zinc. Okay, there's it, and then we have light. So you agree with me that D is the answer here. So I mean, the only thing that can help you here is that you know it. If you don't know it, they say forget about it. All right, number 8, we do boil. Okay, this is what we have there. Diphthong, we are looking for it. So let's use this one to learn how to transcribe. So how do you transcribe? How, Mr. Pfeiffer, how are you doing this? How is it? I pronounce the word out, ball. So what do I have there? I have sound B. Then I have sound O. That's all. That is all. Then I have sound B. I have sound R. I have O. Short for me, I have Th. And I close it up. K. We have O and we have T. We have that. Go in. G. O. E. Alright, it's interesting, right? Isn't it? Then we have M. Oi. Is. T. I mean, this generation should know all this. I mean, you did phonics in school, so you should be able to break sounds very well. So which one has this? You say moist. Okay. All right, let me quickly move. All right, I have wood. The short U. Now, in this particular case, I discovered this when I saw this question. I became doubtful if cookie was long or short, but I knew cook to be short, but I wasn't sure of cookie. You know, it happens like that. Now, here we have gloom. I'm sure that gloom is long, so I'll come back to cookie. I know that what we have in institute is tute. And I'm sure mad is mad, and that is what I call foolish option. Then I say womb. I know womb is long. Remember what I said earlier, no examiner will want to give you 2 options that are correct. Of course, that we are only looking for 1 option. So would automatically should go for cookie. And when I confirmed, I discovered that it is cookie. So this is the answer. All right, quickly, let's get to the last one here. Sauce, S, or S. Simple. So what's our transcription here? K, or D. That's it. So, but let's just play with other ones like, okay, gauche. Yes, this is gauche. Okay, and this is loud. This is monitor. Then this is roan. Okay, this is roan. Wow, that wasn't stressful, was it? No, leave the stress for me. So watch out for the other 5 questions in the next video. And the last video will be some words that are wrongly pronounced. Of course, I will explain why. I can't say I'm perfect too anyway. So see you again in our next video.